Best Project Management App, Connecteam Full Tutorial and Review. Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys everything you need to know about Connecteam, a powerful mobile-first employee management app built specifically for non-desk teams. Whether you're managing logistics, construction, hospitality, or remote workers, Connecteam helps you communicate, engage, retain, and train your employees all in one easy-to-use application. To get started, you can check out the link provided in the description to access your 14-day free trial. And the best part about using Connecteam is that it is completely free for life for teams under 10 users. It's an amazing way to test it out with no risk at all. So let's dive right in. To get started, simply click on the link and then you're going to be led to your free trial. From here, you're going to input your email address as well as your first name and your last name. So we're going to do that over here. And once you do that, you're going to enter your business email that you are using. After that, you're just going to create a suitable password for your account, and then you're going to click on Let's Go. Once you do that, you're going to be led to the Connecteam redirect, and now here is where all the magic is going to happen. So starting off, you're going to add your information for your company, and this dashboard is built super intuitively, so you can easily access and fill out this information, starting off with your company name, which is Spencer, and then your job title. Once you do that, you're going to click on Next Step and add how many employees you have, as well as the industry that you are in. After that, you're going to click on Next Step, and then you can choose which features you want to use. So for us, we're going to be using Time Clock, as well as scheduling, forms, and task management. We also want some of the HR tools, as well as the communication tools. And then just click on Next Step. Once you do that, you can browse to add your own logo, and we're just going to click on over here and upload our own logo from here. I'm just going to quickly upload my logo, and just like so, I'm going to click on Next Step. Once done, we're just going to verify our phone number, and now we are in our Connecteam dashboard. Starting off, we're going to be using Time Clock, which is one of the most used tools inside Connecteam. So Time Clock is a tool that allows your employees to clock in and clock out directly from their phone. You can see on the left, before we can get started with adding our employees, we can even see all of the communication tools that are available at hand. Now, this has real-time GPS tracking, job tagging, and even custom shift rules. You can see over here that you can track employee activity within the day. You can create different time clocks for various departments, set limitations on locations, and track hours by job, project, or client, all of which syncs up for accurate reporting. When used alongside these smart groups, this becomes even more powerful. You can ensure only relevant employees see the clocks meant for them. So you can toggle all of this within settings, and you can proceed with choosing how you want everything to be set up for your payroll cycle within your time clock. Now, starting off, we can go into the Today section to see who has clocked in, as well as view all of our timesheets. You will see user submission as well as administrator approval, and any issues as well as total pay that can be logged by the time clock. Now, within Time Clock, you can select the time clock and job schedule the job will be assigned to make sure that the correct job is under the relevant time clock and job schedule. So we have Project A, and if we want, we can add other time clocks for other projects. Now, moving forward, you also have Smart Groups. Smart Groups are one of Connecteam's most powerful automation features. They allow you to automatically assign content, tools, and permissions to employees based upon their custom rules, like their location, role, or department. So simply click on Get Started. Once you do that, you can see that we have some sample data here. Now, let's say you have 20 drivers and 15 warehouse staff and 5 admins. Instead of manually assigning shifts, time clocks, forms, and updates to each, you can create a smart group for each category and set the rules once. From that point forward, Connecteam will auto-assign everything to the right people, saving you time and reducing errors. So for here, we're just going to click on Add Segment, and I can just build one segment for all of my warehouse workers. Once done, I can click on Add a Group, and then this is going to be workers, and then I can click on Next. Once done, I can proceed with the rules, as well as the basic summary. Once done, click on Confirm, and just like so, this has been confirmed, and you have a specific group within your smart groups. This can save you a lot of time and can help you in making sure that everything is set up once and you're not having to custom add all the information for each individual employee position over and over again. Not only that, but you can click on continue and continue on to the job scheduler. So when you have your basics set up with your time clock, you can go into the job schedule on the left, and then you can click on job schedule to assign a schedule to all your employees. This is arguably the heart of using Connecteam. You can create shifts, assign roles, and manage weekly calendars. So from here, we're going to start by adding our first shift. Let's say I want to add a shift for this particular worker, like so. Now for this, I can enter the shift time as well as the shift day. Let's say it's going to be next Friday starting at 9 and ending at 5. You can click on add break to add a break, and this is going to be a meal break for 30 minutes, and let's say this is going to be a paid break. Below that, you're going to add the shift title. Let's say this is going to be our shift A4, warehouse shift A1. And then you can select the job. So this is going to be a worker site A. After that, you can add multiple users and you can enable users to claim this shift. So if you do not want to add your own employees manually, you can add this as an open shift so whoever is available can claim it. Below that, you have the address that you can enter as well as your notes, and then just click on publish to publish your shift. Now, you can even use templates for recurring shifts, duplicate existing ones, and even publish shifts in bulk. All you have to do is click assign and select the job and publish. It's truly very fast, and you can view your calendar by the week as well as see the current day, like so. You can even just click on add and you can add multiple shifts together on the top right. And you can even see any requests for any open shift as well as shift replacements that have been added by your employees. You can even see your job list on the top right to see all of the jobs that have been added, and you can create more or less as you prefer. Now, job list in Connecteam is used to create and keep track of all of your jobs, but when it comes to scheduling shifts, you can select the job from the list while creating the shift, not from the job list directly. This small detail makes a big difference in how you use the system. Now, Connecteam also lets your employees set their availability and preferred working hours. So let's say someone only prefers to work on Saturdays and is unavailable on Sundays. So when you're setting up the job schedule, these preferences are going to directly be shown within the job schedule, which helps in avoiding scheduling conflicts and improves work-life balance. This feature is going to lead in happier teams and fewer back and forths during planning. So if I have any employee information, you guys can see any notes, descriptions, or shift tasks, we can view them all over here. Now, the best part about using Connecteam is that you're able to set up quick tasks as well. You can click on go to quick tasks over here and set up tasks. You can see different tabs for organization of these tasks as well as use labels to have everything be organized. You can organize them based upon the function of the task it is, so whether it's related to the warehouse employees, your drivers, or any other type of employee position. Now let's take a look at checklists and forms. Checklists and forms can be created under the forms feature within operations. All you have to do is click on add new and you can add a form. You can customize it from scratch or create one from a template or with the help of AI. Currently, I have one active form running. Whenever you are creating a brand new form, you can pick it out from a template. Let's say for us, it is going to be an incident report. Now, when you choose your particular template, you have all of the form fields on the left. You can add or remove these simply by clicking on Add Field, and you can choose your own type of field. Once you're done, you can click on Settings over here, and then you can choose the form limitation. So, how many entries could this form have, as well as the manager fields, as well as reminders. Then you can click on Save, and then you can proceed, and your form will be created. Now you're going to choose your assignees, so you can just select the group that this is meant for. Let's say only my warehouse workers can provide me with incident reports, and then I can just click on next. This allows me to have a really simple and easy checklist or form. This makes it really easy to have everything be managed quickly and everything to be reported efficiently. And they even have their own training hub that you can build. On the left, if you scroll down, you have courses that you can build, which lets you have your employees expand their progress. Not only that, but you even have a knowledge-based center, documentation, recognitions, as well as rewards. And they have some amazing communication tools, including chats, updates, and directories, which can keep everyone updated. Your team can stay updated on everything that is happening. Now, what does all of this look like from an employee's perspective? Because currently we are viewing this as a manager. So on the top right, you can switch to the user view, and then you're going to see how it looks like from a user's perspective. Now, from here, we can go back into time clock and we can clock in or clock out. We can even add our own shift request. So let's say my work as a worker at site A for today is this and this, and I can send this for approval. If this is approved, I can work this specific shift. And you can even add your own absence requests as an employee. This is a really clean and simple dashboard for your employees, whether they are warehouse workers or your front desk employees. Everything can be made really easy. They can even directly go into quick tasks to see anything that they have to complete, as well as view job scheduling to view any open shifts and see how many hours are they going to be working. If they need to switch or replace anything, they can click on replacements. They can even click on my availability and set their own availability for each specific day and their hours. And they also have a quick and easy communication tab for chats and directories. And now this is how you can get started with using Connecteam, one of the world's best employee management tools, which is my personal top pick for best project management and employee management applications for deskless, mobile, or hybrid teams. It brings together scheduling, time tracking, forms, checklists, training, communication into a single, easy-to-use platform. And don't forget, Connecteam is totally free for teams under 10 users, and for larger teams, you can get a 14-day free trial with the link provided in the description. So make sure to click on that and streamline your team management today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.